Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the controller is paired and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions during shutdown. Once done, wake the console if it's sleeping so commands register. Next, position your thumb over the Xbox button in the center. This is the primary control. Press and release to open the guide menu because the guide gives you access to power options. Make sure your controller response is immediate so you won't need to repeat steps and risk accidental resets. With the guide open, use the left stick or D-pad to move to Profile and System. This groups account and console controls logically. Then navigate down to Power so you can see sleep or full shutdown choices. Sleep preserves state, shutdown clears active sessions. Use it to select power, then highlight Turn Off Console when you want a complete power down. This ensures background tasks stop and the system fully reboots next start, which helps with updates and clearing temporary issues. After selecting Turn Off Console, press it to confirm and watch the console's power LED. When it fades, the shutdown completed. If nothing happens, hold the controller's Xbox button to retry the guide or force local menu access. Should the console refuse to power down, press and hold the console's Xbox button for about 10 seconds to force off. Only then unplug the unit for 10 to 30 seconds to reset power. This power cycle clears stubborn hardware states without losing saved games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.